So I need to get the coolant pipes off of one of these two Boxster 987s for a customer. And we do have a car on the lift at the minute, so we're going to have to do some jigging about here. Honestly, I need a workshop 4 times the size with 4 times the lifts. Anyway, I've got this on now. As I say, customers looking these coolant pipes. And on this car, they are in very good condition. Usually they get really corroded here, where the aluminium joins onto the plastic. Can't really see much up there at the minute. But I think we'll go ahead and get the front subframe out of this car and get these coolant pipes out. Get one of these tools here in your Porsche toolkit, really handy when you're taking wheels off. Helps prevent any small accidents. Just being a wee bit cautious here because there's no weight in the back of the car at the minute. We'll start underneath here and work our way up. So I think we'll get the front bumper off first. Then we'll get the arch liners off, some coolant pipes, brake lines, and then we'll go up top. Front bumpers usually have 5 or 6 T30 Torxes, 3 each side, 1 in the middle, really. I've actually already taken them out, so I think that's all really we're going to do underneath here. We'll go into the wheel wells and get a few bits and bobs off there. I've got my 10mm and I've got a T25. That should be all we need really here. Get the arch liner out. Actually, just looking at it, I can see there's a bunch of random self-tappers someone has, in their infinite wisdom, decided to use. Why is someone using self-tappers on these cars is beyond me. We've also got some aftermarket looking mud flaps installed in this car as well, so we'll have some lovely big nice holes in the wings and the arch liner. Some lovely holes in the wing from the stupid mud flap. I think that should be everything. Holding the arch liner in. Yeah. Arch liners in two sections on the 987s. Traditionally this piece here always gets badly broken around here or up top, but this one looks good. Take the side repeater out. Big spring clip there just holding it in place. And then I twist the bulb out and remove the bulb holder after. Saves you scraping paintwork on stuff. So you can get a good grip on it. T25 up here. There we go. While we're in here, we'll remove this grommet. It holds our coolant crossover pipe sort of in place. Leaves that nice and loose now for us. Absolute crap. Headlight removal. Just peel back that carpet there. Remove the rubber grommet. Grab a 5mm long narrow socket. And turn it towards the back of the car. Just enough so that the headlight kind of pops up a bit. and then give it a wiggle. Sometimes you might need to turn it back a little bit. It's just a wee bit stiff in there on the runners. That headlight is in good condition, just a bit yellow, needs a polish. Then on either side of the bumper, where the bumper meets the inner part of the wing, there's two little metal retaining clips. Get some penetrating fluid in on them, they're always rusty. Try a tool with a bit of an angle on it here first. Just going to try and sort of wiggle it up and down a bit to free it. There you go, nice and crispy. Hopefully the other side comes out with the same success. Nice and crispy as well. Wiggling it up and down is a good method there, and a tool with a bit of an angle. Alright, so unless I have missed some screws or bolts, that should be the bumper ready to come off. 3 on the top and our 2 retaining brackets, and all of the T30s on the bottom, and one that goes up on each side there into the wing. So let's see what we're like here. Yep, it's definitely free. Another self-topper special here. Lovely, right through the front tub. Bit hard to see in there, but I'm taking out the bolt that connects the steering column shaft to the steering rack. You can just see it there now. That will allow the steering rack to drop down whenever we're dropping the subframe. Disconnect the wheel speed sensor and the brake pad wear sensor. Pop the bung out of the little retaining hook on the back of the strut. Quite surprisingly, it's coming out very easily. Alright, that's the loom free. Get the brake pipe off now. Alright, underneath we'll get rid of these cross braces here, and we've just a few nuts really holding the coolant pipes up onto the bottom of the car here. We'll take out the various bolts for the subframe, let it dangle down, and then we'll lower the car, go up top, remove the bolts out of the top mounts, and the whole front subframe suspension with coolant pipes should drop out with the steering rack, which means we'll need to take off our steering lines here as well. Take off the fuel tank straps here. Just take the guard down out of the way. That's the power steering pipes free. Only thing holding it now, I think, is just where the steering rack meets. Just needs a wee wiggle to release it. There we go.